So I want to see if price can close up around here or higher. What's this previous day's low? Yeah, that take profit looks perfect. Sorry, buddy. So this is some pretty rough price delivery. Um, but if you put a gun to my head and told me, tell me where the market's going, um, I would say we're gravitating toward higher for longer. This is just some pretty rough delivery here, so we should see some pretty big movement coming in here now. I'm not playing the game right, am I? Still not the cleanest delivery, so I am just going to bring my stop in to protect this position and cover commissions. But we're pretty close to this high. Let's see what it is. 19407. But I truly think we're going for the opening range gap midpoint. This is just terrible delivery though, so I think there's a much higher likelihood than usual that we get stopped out, unfortunately. And I just don't want to risk having my stop down where it was. I'd rather just not make the money than to leave my stop down there and lose equity. So I would like to see a pretty large displacement candle here. And again, I'm going to move this up just a little bit. I'll be able to see the position here. Still a little bit of wonky delivery here, so as much as I want to move my stop to preserve some of the capital that we've added on, I'm just not sure that's going to work with this sort of price delivery. So I'd like to see the very next candle, not this one, but the very next candle. I'd like to see that one start to displace higher. I think I'm gonna move this stop just below this order block here. Again, terrible delivery. So I might get stopped out and it could continue higher, but I just want to preserve the capital. I don't love this delivery by any means. I would have wanted to see this current candle displace higher. And that's fine if it doesn't, but not a fan of this delivery. Still some pretty gnarly delivery here. Hmm. Don't love that. So we're grinding higher, but we haven't had a single displacement candle. And that to me makes it seem a little less trustworthy, I guess. Um, like you want to see displacement if price is going to truly go in one direction. You want to see candles that have space in between them because that means that they're quickly trying to get there. And we're not seeing that right here. We're just seeing price grind higher. Um, I really don't enjoy that at all. I'm gonna move this just below this order block here, and we may get stopped out again because it's just grinding. Um, Oh, we did just take out this buy side liquidity right here, this minor buy side. So definitely a higher likelihood of getting stopped out because when we take out liquidity, unless we're really moving quickly, we oftentimes retrace a bit. Um, so we could see price come down here and stop us out, and then continue on higher through this buy side right here, which is where my stop is, but or my take profit. So on this candle, we'll see one of two things. We'll see price either displace higher. We should see price either displace higher and leave a gap on this candle, um, or price will come back down and run below here, subsequently stopping us out. So let's see if this is the displacement candle we've been waiting for. So I'm thinking this may be the displacement candle. I'm going to move this into the bottom quadrant of this current candle. Oh, you want to come up, bud? You want to come up? Come up. Okay, fine. What, you want to play? Okay. So let's see where we are right now. Opening range gap low from yesterday. Just gonna move this into the midpoint. We may stop out. That's fine. What, buddy? Trying to work here. Ooh, so this is pretty weak. What? All right, bud. If I get stopped out here, we can go for walkies. What you think? Okay. So we're stopped out there. I do think this continues higher. I didn't want to leave it at down here. I would have been stopped out either way. I do think we continue on to here, 460, 675 level. I gotta close this up so I can take out or do something. So as always, be good. Safe trades only. Be safe.